Hello YouTube guys, and I'm back on the YouTube with my Merc S-Class problems. In this episode I will try to find out where from coming oil leak. So as you can see, I already lifted the car. And straight away I can see problem that is coming from the turbine air intercooler pipe. Same I can see I can tell here as well, it's a bit wet. And then I already cleaned the oil sump. I was thinking that there might be problem from that oil sump gasket blown up. And as well I can see that my belt is a bit wet, and here is as well coming the oil leak. So I decided to take all these pipes up to here probably, and to see what problem is there. If there is a lot of oils, so I will probably have to remove the intercooler and wash it. The intercooler is here, so I will have to remove the bumper. So how to remove the bumper, I have the previous videos, link will be in the comments below. So I noticed that all the pipes are wet with oil, and I decided to empty the intercooler. As my car is now lifted to one side, so I will try to disconnect intercooler pipe on this side. And empty intercooler from the here. So I noticed that this side is way easier to remove the pipe than that one, because here it has only rubber pipe, and there is that plastic pipe which is like a screw in with the rusty screw to the car body. So I will put the car down. So I'll put the car down from this side, and I will lift this side up. Okay, so now I will give a couple of minutes to stay like this, and to be sure that as much as possible oil will go to one side if there is any, and I will empty the intercooler. Okay, so as we can see, this is dry, so I'm gonna fit this back and check the other gaskets, because I think that gasket over there will be ruined and it's leaking over here over the engine. So I'm here third time because of the same problem. I bought torx spanners, and the first one they didn't fit because the ring was too big, and the second one they fit, but if they would be at least bent at the end would be way better. So I want to show you what I mean by that. So as you see, here is like very wide ring comparing to that one, and as we need E14 size, as you see this one is very small comparing to whole ring, and that ring it just doesn't fit in between here. So, and as well this one, if this end would be bent towards down or up, you could easily unscrew it, but now it's like everything is on the way, and kind of it's very hard to get it. Still I managed to do that. And yeah, and I want to mention that the torx sockets, they don't fit because they are too short, and this engine cover holder is way too long, and the torx sockets, they are too short for that. Okay. So the last time I cleaned the engine bay, and now I can see where is the oil coming from. A long time ago I moved this tube because I need to clean this EGR pipe, so I had to move a bit this pipe off to have a proper access. So probably I just installed it a bit wrong, or maybe I damaged the gasket if there is any. So now we'll find out. So now I'll have to take again the intake stuff, and I have access to this turbo pipe. Okay, so we now have one screw here, one bolt down there, and one bolt under this pipe exactly down here. So we can release this pipe, we can move a bit, wiggle a bit, and then to remove from the turbo housing, we can pull it back a bit and remove the whole pipe. So as in the engine bay is getting a lot of heat, I found that I have some leftovers of this gold heat protecting tape. So I'll try to wrap this pipe and hope it will lower the temperature in the pipe for the air, and so the intercooler will have to work a bit less, at least 1 degree probably. Hope so. Okay, so I finally did wrap this thing up. So the view will be like kind of something like this. And before installing, check this rubber, because this one is easy to break. It's not expensive, like £5. So you have to go only to the Mercedes dealer to get this one. Same as well. I'll try to refit and check if I still have the leaking. So installing process should be easy and it will take a couple of minutes. So guys, yesterday my camera died, so I had to finish without filming, and today I did a test drive. I went to work and back. It's only a few miles, but I straight away noticed the turbo sound change, the power came back, engine even working better. So on the upcoming weekend I will try to check if there is no leaks again. I didn't change any gaskets, I just reused the old ones. I just tried to connect everything better way than it was before, and on upcoming weekend I'm gonna check if there is no any oil mark. If so, I will buy new seal and try to replace it on the weekend. In general, at least I'm going the right way, and I know it's the problem can be solved very easy. In general, the video is getting to end. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, because this motivates me to do more video and you will be updated straight away. So see you in the next video. Bye.